Hey everyone, what's up and welcome to my channel. My name is Shandy. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below, give the video a thumbs up, and be sure to comment down below as well. So today we are going to be creating a very dark eye look. I've actually never created one on my channel, and I've never created one in reality. So we are going to attempt to do that today. So let me go ahead and zoom you guys on in and we can go ahead and begin. Okay, so we are zoomed in pretty close, and I'm going to take my ColourPop L1 brush. It's my really small brush. And I'm going to go into my Lilac You a Lot by ColourPop palette right here. And I'm going to go into the shade Filtered, so it's this purple right here. And as you can tell, I already did this eye. It's kind of like my last tutorial in a way, how I'm starting off, other than I'm not starting from the inner corner and I'm not bringing it out straight to my brow bone. I'm more so going in like half of an oval shape right here while connecting it. So now I'm going to do this eye right here. Okay, so then once I have that placed, I'm going to go back into that shade, and I'm just going to fill this in right here. Okay, so now that I kind of have that placed, I'm going to take another brush. It's my E21 ColourPop brush. I'm going to go back into Filtered. And okay, so then once that is placed, we're going to go into our Morphe 39L Hit the Lights palette. And we're going to take this black right here. As you can tell, it has some sparkle in it. And I'm just going to take that on a flat brush. This is my ColourPop E18 brush. Let me lightly tap into it. And then what I'm going to do is put that all over the other half of my eyelid. Okay, and then going back to our E21 brush, I'm just going to kind of blend those two shades together now. Okay, so do keep in mind, obviously you're gonna have fallout from that black, which I wasn't thinking, so I'm gonna have to clean that up. But here is kind of what it looks like so far. Okay, so then now what I'm going to do is I have my Stila Diamond Dust right here. And I'm going to put that right on top of that black. Okay, so then it should look like that. Okay, then now what I'm going to do is take my other fluffy brush, my ColourPop E19. I'm going to go back into that Lilac You a Lot palette and go back into that shade Filtered. It's just a little bit more fluffier than my last brush. So again, I'm just kind of like building up that shade. So I'm taking my E20 brush and going back into that shade Filtered and just taking it on my bottom lash line. Okay, so now it should look like that. And then I'm gonna go and clean this mess up right here. Alright you guys, so here's the completed eye look. I applied my LA Girl Gel Glide eyeliner in Very Black on my bottom lash line, my Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara on my lower lashes, and my Ardell Demi Wispies on top. I've never created something this dark before, and I think it turned out pretty good for a first time. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial of mine. Here's the completed eye look. Alright you guys, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in one of my next videos. Bye!